Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be brought to you by the company OMGqueen. But before I get started on all the details, guys, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now this is going to be a straight out of the box review, just showing you guys what came in the package, which was just a wig cap and the wig. So this one does have your normal cap construction, which is 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, your adjustable straps, and also a removable elastic band. Now the unit I'm showing you guys today is a bob. It is 12 inches. It has a chestnut brown hair color. It is a Yaki texture. Also, this one does have the knots bleach throughout the lace. The lace color on this one is a light brown color. For this video, I am going to go glueless. I do have on a wig grip, and I am going to make sure to utilize that adjustable strap plus the removable elastic band. This is a medium cap size. Of course, it fits me really secure because I do have all that extra stuff on. They also do have the cap sizes small, but that's going to take an extra 5 days, and then the large does take an extra 35 days. So make sure that you are following the instructions on the website about how to measure your cap size so you can get the correct cap. Now I'm going to work on cutting off my lace, and I did have to cut off just a tiny bit of lace around my ear just to make sure that it fit me comfortably. After I am done cutting off the lace in the front, now I am just going to take my wax stick, and then I am going to place that around the top of the hair and then around the hairline, and then I'm going to use my hot comb to make sure that this is going to lay very flat. Of course, all of the products that I like to use can be found down below in the description area. I really do love this Care wax stick. A little bit goes a long way. If you have human hair wigs, even synthetic wigs, I highly suggest you picking it up. I've been having this same bottle for over a year because you do not need a lot to lay that hair down. This hot comb is from Kendras Boutique. I will leave a link down below in the description for that also, and then I also will have a comparison video coming up on which hot comb do I think is best, this little bit more expensive one or the affordable one. So now I'm just going to comb out the hair, make sure I get any type of strays from cutting off the lace, and then I'm going to go in with my flat iron, and then I'm going to just bump that hair because of course it's kind of all over the place from being in the bag. I don't have my flat iron turned all the way up to the max because if you aren't new to my channel, and well, if you are new now, I do not like to straighten my Yaki hair on the highest heat. If it's meant to be Yaki, I like to leave a little bit of texture in it. I do not like to completely take it away because I don't want it to look silky. So Yaki has become my #1 texture out of all the units that I have reviewed, just because it's super easy to deal with and super easy to maintain, and it just doesn't require a lot of fuss. Fixing up that middle part, I'm just going to add a little bit of my serum just to give it a nice little sheen. I'm going to make sure to focus on the ends of the hair. This hair does not need a lot of product in it, so do not get, extra heavy-handed with it because it's going to come off looking very, very oily. But this is going to also help any flyaways and frizzy hair stay into place. Just going to take my MAC powder because I could not find my other powders but I am the color NW43, so I'm just placing that powder into the parting space and then also around the hairline just to kind of liven the parting space up. Then I'm just going to take some of this olive oil Fix It spray, and I'm going to run that through the comb because the shorter hairs just kept popping up and sometimes they need a little extra help. So I'm just running that throughout the front also to kind of keep the hair in place and not moving. And yes, your girl did just shift her wig up, so it happens. So just making sure to run that through to keep everything together. And guys, this is the final look. Easy peasy. You do not have to put up a lot of fuss when it comes to this unit. I really love the way that they bleached their knots because they are perfect. They are not over bleached. If you do not know how to do all of that, then make sure you pick the whole bleach option so that you don't have to be stressed out. This is what the unit is looking like in the back. Like I stated, this is 12 inches, but you can get this unit in 12, 14, 16, 18, or 20. And then also as far as density go, you can get this unit in 130, 150, and 180%. I feel like 150 is cool, especially if, you know, you do not like a lot of hair, but you still want it to look realistic. 180%. Now the parting space on this unit, you only get 4.5 inches of parting. I do wish that it was a little bit longer, but this is what you're going to get. And then, like I said, they did a good job with bleaching the knots on the unit because all you're gonna have to do is add your powder and just go. That's all you're gonna have to really worry about. Now the pre-plucked hairline, I mean, it's pre-plucked, but it's not like a super pre-plucked. If you want that extra realistic look, then you are gonna have to go in and pluck out a little bit of hair. As far as the texture goes, you guys know I love a Yaki texture unit. This one doesn't have those overly crimped texture in it where it's going to make it look fake, but I do realize that it is showing a little bit more just because of the color of this unit. If you aren't feeling this color, then they definitely have this type of style in a natural color. Guys, let me know what you think about this style and if you are feeling the color. I did get a little bit of shedding, and then also I did notice a little bit of dryness, which the serum will definitely help take care of. If you are feeling it, I'm going to make sure to leave all of the links down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel once again, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.